Okay, so here we have a massive battery that I've just got out of the car. This is a Samsung Powerwall, 3.6 kilowatt hours. In here, there is some batteries. Should we undo the screws and just show them quickly? Might as well.
Yeah.
So that's little thumb screws there. Now this thing did throw an error code, so hopefully the batteries are okay themselves. Hopefully it's just a problem with the power circuitry. So I want to repurpose the batteries out of it for something else. If I can get it working, that would be good as well. Yeah, big solar, this is for like solar power and stuff like that. Big industrial solar power wall, so this charges up any excess energy from the panels, charges this thing, and then you can use the power from it. But this one's dead, it's probably, you know, beyond economical repair.
Got two Samsung SDI cells in there.
Packs, they're individual packs. I'm not sure how many cells are in these.
I don't know much about
Big
batteries.
old modules.
Like the chip in there. Like
The
the
circuit board.
brains.
Yeah, the brain box is in here. There's quite a few control cards and stuff. Lots of relays, big capacitors.
These cells are beasts.
But this is the main.
Big
this
boys.
is the main thing. I'd love to get into it. So yeah, there's your terminals right there.
You don't want to touch them.
No, it's only if you touch two.
Yeah, true, but you don't like
They're series.
so they won't do anything.
The whole thing is 60 volts.
Give it a walk around on it. See, Samsung. We thought it had no cells in it for a minute. This is like, yeah. This makes a UPS, let us UPS look like a double A. Got a little computer thing here, probably does nothing. So
I don't know if we can power it up without actually having. You know, I don't think we can. There's a big old transformer in there. That's one of the reasons this thing's so heavy. There's a
you can actually
ribbon cable. This is the date code 2014, 9th 2014. So it's quite old, but
batteries, yeah.
hopefully it's still good. The battery cells come out of here, so we can, in theory, undo this panel and drop the cells.
So yeah. So part 2 will be like us dismantling it and having a look
Yep.
inside properly.
Yep.
And yeah, it's about to rain, so we're going to bring it in.
Yep.
You know what electricity like with rain?